This room is spacious, but something's not so right. Unboxing 1-bedroom suite. Full facility report. Decent breakfast buffet options. But how about the view? Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Firstly, I'd like to say I love IHG facilities, but I have no idea this room type was available. Watch till the end and you know why. Good day Muscat, the capital of Oman in the Middle East. Today, I'm unboxing the Holiday Inn Muscat Al Seeb. Before we dive into the room tour, let me share how I got here. I flew Oman Air from Bangkok, Thailand to Muscat, Oman, and got upgraded to their first class seat with the outstanding business class services. There's even a priority passport control lane in Muscat. For more details, check the link below. Back to the topic, I arrived late at the hotel, but the check-in was smooth. And thanks to my diamond membership, I was upgraded to the 1-bedroom suite. Sounds great, right? Well, I will tell you later why I might prioritize the view over the space in the future. After navigating a bit, I found room 3704, located in another connected building and on the furthest corner, which gave me a bit of a strange hint. Let's check out the room. Upon entering, we found a living room area with sofas and drinking water on the table. A complete kitchen set with a sink, coffee machine, and some more drinks are available. There's even a microwave and cooking equipment. All the essential tableware can be found in the drawers. The view outside isn't clear at night. I'll show you in the morning. So the TV here, but in the morning we'll show you what's outside. It seems like it's just another building. Okay, so let's enter the main bedroom. Firstly, check the closet. Okay, just got a weight scale and slippers. The small one got an iron board, iron and flash inside. And they also got the prayer rug for praying, a hair dryer, safe, and empty minibar. You can see this room, that's why the feeling is not that well. There's no window near the main bed. Most of the Holiday Inn hotel will got the windows near the bed. Little bit pity on that. So there's a working desk, and there's another small window over there. Right now it's too late. Also the TV right here, but it's quite small. Let's take a look at the bedroom. It's quite a compact bedroom, even without bathtub. So it's a shower type. The door open style is very interesting. And also got the amenities, dental kit, shaving kit, vanity kit, and they're using the Soak brand. It's also quite international, connected. The toilet. So that's it. Later we'll take a look at the breakfast and also the facilities. See you in the morning. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Morning. So right now let's take a look at the view. Oh, it's actually facing inside. There's no natural light here, just a window indoor. So there's kind of a small cafe shopping area, and there is the room. That's why it's a little bit dark and there's no direct sunshine. If the room outside, it should be better to have a better view. Later, we will unbox the facilities and breakfast buffet. The lobby is well designed with a great view of the pool and bright enough to enjoy the premium vibe. Let's check out the pool first. We will go downstairs and it is required to enter the restaurant and then to the outdoor pool. Okay, so this is swimming pool here. Coming from a restaurant is very interesting. This is relatively small, probably more for fun instead of swimming. But if you come in the morning, it should be still great. The room here got a better view, no matter it's a pool view or a view outside. It will be better than the suite room. Okay, so let's head to the buffet area and take a look. Now let's enter the buffet restaurant. Firstly, you can find Arabic coffee and dates as a Middle Eastern warm hospitality, and there are donuts, some special at Holiday Inn. They supply a good amount of fresh fruits, and some more cold dishes can be found. The Fresh Made station can make eggs and various pies. For hot dishes, it contains local plus international options. There are many choices for pastries. This green one looks very special. You can also make your own pancake. Some croissants, fresh salads, and hot drinks are available. And of course, you won't miss the juices if you like something fresh. After breakfast, let's walk around the lobby. There's a car rental company and also a travel agency. It looks like this is a good hotel for tourists. Let's have a quick summary of my staying experience this time. Of course, I still very appreciate the IHG upgrade me to the suite room. However, today I really find out, as a business traveler, I will travel alone or with a company sometimes. Basically, I would prefer even get a better view instead of no window or less window room. Really feel a little bit pressed on this situation. They got a pool view and also the city view. Even the room is smaller, I think I will choose those type of rooms. So for next time, if I got a chance to be upgraded to other type of room, I probably will ask for the better view. Okay, right now head to the airport. See you! In my next video, we will leave the hotel and head to Muscat Airport. Experience my first ever first-class experience. Enjoy the porter service, fast check-in, the best lunch in the country, premium dining, liquor testing, free spa, and of course, the extraordinary onboard experience. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.